Welcome back to Mr. Duo. Let's learn English with a fun new story.
Good morning. You look so tired, dear.
I'm okay. Just a long night. I have to go.
Sam, look! Daddy is sleeping in the car. Why is he in the car? Is something wrong? Mommy, is Daddy okay? Is he leaving us?
I don't know, sweetie. He won't tell me.
Daddy, why are you so sad? Where do you go at night?
It's nothing, Lily. Don't worry about me.
Please.
Just a few more nights. I can do this for them.
You're home so late? And a delivery uniform? Please, tell me the truth.
Okay, I'll tell you everything. I lost my job a month ago. I was too ashamed to tell you, so I work nights now.
Oh, my love, why didn't you tell us?
We don't care about money, Daddy.
We just want you home.
We love you.
Thank you. I'm so lucky to have you.
We are a team. We face everything together.
Tomorrow, I'll look for a new job. Together, we will be okay.
Never hide your troubles. Family helps family.